All I'm gonna say is hot damn. Wait till you see what Artie bought himself for his birthday. It's not something I would have chose, but hey, he's a grown-ass man, and I'm kind of glad he did, because this thing is pretty badass. Believe it or not, he bought this two-stroke 250 Polaris Trailblazer. I ripped it a little bit last night, but you know, since coming home from my surgery, I really can't do much of anything. But you know, for a fully automatic, you see, you don't shift any gears on this thing, no shifters, no clutch. She was still fast, so let's get fired up and headed over to the house. And I actually want to power wash some of this gunk off of here, air up the tires, get it ready for them, you know. Let's do it. I need some fancy dancy work to get it started. Gotta pull the seat off because the choke on the carburetor don't work. So we're gonna try to get it started. I think I gotta do this. I think I gotta do that. Then I think I have to do that. All right. Then we gotta push this up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Self-choked it. Fucking thing started right up. Oh, let's get it a warm up. Homemade choke, come on. We're gonna take it over across the street and just give her a nice power washer. Alright, let's get the seat back on. Let's get that. As you can see, the thing actually runs. It runs halfway decent, so. We got it. I have to get some cleaning supplies. We'll hopefully get her cleaned up and ready to go. Okay, let's see. Let's put this on rinse. Let's get it wet. So we're gonna spray some soap on here. All right, all rinsed down. Let's give it a little soap for her. Shouldn't be that bad, you know. And we'll hit her. Like I said, I don't use the gas power one because I kind of like these graphics. I want to save them. We ain't got much. We're gonna hit it with this mean green shit I got from the Dollar General. And I'm gonna spray this shit all over here. Hopefully, but like, look it up here, you know. I don't know if I spray this on and then power wash it off. All right, let's see. It's working. All right, go over here. It's working. I gotta see, man. That's half and half. It looks better, right? Here's the dirty side. I think the other side was a lot dirtier, but hopefully we'll get it cleaned up for him for his birthday. All right, let's hit the wheels and the suspension on this side. Back on 15. damn, I gotta say, man, that made that quad look like it's brand new again. Well, not brand new, but looks a hell of a lot better than what he did for what the price he paid on it. I'm not gonna tell you, but you can't beat it. Here, let's check it out. I got all that funk, got all the mold off it, got the white popping again. The rims, technically, I just sprayed a little soap on it, but I didn't actually, you know, scrub it off yet. I think it looks good, man. I think he's gonna be happy. Like I said, it was his birthday present. I'm just sitting here, you know, sick, so on hospital leave, so I'm just trying to find something to do. But next step is, you know, you guys know anything I can use on these plastics to get them a little bit of gook out of it, like in here. Hey, I ain't worried about it. It's a 25-year-old quad, you know, at the end of the day, I'm happy with it. I wanted to save the stickers for them, save the graphics to make it look, you know, make it look fairly new. But yeah, that thing is hot, man. That thing looks good. And like I said, it's a 252 stroke. I don't know what he has planned for it. I know we're talking about changing the seat cover, maybe put some bars, some grips on it, and we're probably gonna sell it. So, you know, on to the next one. As you see, you know, white trash surprise. We do love our motorcycles, so say it but true, it's just another one to the collection. Come on.